Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Focus. Create a new focus so it matches a clear purpose. Once created, pick a type like Work or Custom, because purpose drives which notifications you'll permit. Now choose Allowed People and Apps. This controls interruptions. Make sure to set whether calls or messages bypass the focus, since that affects urgent contact. Lastly, give it a descriptive name and icon so you can recognize it fast when switching. Continue by automating when focus turns on. Use schedule or smart activation so it activates without you thinking about it. Then link home and lock screen options to hide pages, dim notifications, or show a specific wallpaper for context. Next, apply focus filters to Mail, Messages, Calendar, and Safari to limit which accounts and tabs are active. This reduces distractions at a system level. Once done, test the automation by setting to finish, manually enable the focus from Control Center and observe how notifications change so you understand the effect. Make sure Shared Across Devices is enabled if you want the same focus on your iPad or Mac. This keeps behavior consistent. If something goes wrong, for example notifications still arrive, toggle Shared Across Devices off and back on, review allowed lists, then recreate the focus as a last resort. This helps isolate settings versus device sync issues and restores expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.